Fix chipolo-pop pairing. Mock screens only. On Android, fully close the Chipolo app first. Then turn on Bluetooth, location, and scan for nearby devices. Before pairing, choose the network that matches your daily phone. Chipolo-pop cannot be in Find My and Find Hub at the same time. Place the pop within a foot of the phone. Press it once until it beeps, then wait for the pairing sheet. If the pop pairs but location or play sound keeps failing on Android, open Chipolo and check for firmware 5.10.0 or newer. After Find Hub or Find My owns the pop, add it inside the Chipolo app for extras like out-of-range alerts. If the pop will not beep when pressed, replace the CR2032 before trying reset or pairing again. Use factory reset only after the toggles, app order, firmware, and battery checks fail. Then add the pop fresh. Scan the QR for the full HotAirTag guide.